Continuing coverage now, a Saginaw City Councilwoman who is accused of 2 felonies for forging names on a nominating petition was in court today. Monique Lamar Sylvia faces 4 charges in all, including forgery and conspiracy. She waived her right to preliminary hearing and her case will now move to circuit court. Terry, her co-defendant in this case wanted his hearing.
Yes, Eric Eggleston faces 3 charges, including forgery and conspiracy. He is the one Lamar Sylvia is accused of violating elections laws in getting signatures on his nominating petitions.
Your own choice. That's correct. Very good.
Saginaw City Councilwoman Monique Lamar Sylvia agreeing to have her case moved to circuit court where she could face a possible trial. She's accused of forging signatures on the nominating petition for Eric Eggleston, who did not make it on the ballot for a city council seat. Lamar Sylvia stayed in court as Eggleston's hearing began. First on the stand, Saginaw City Clerk Christine Bolzman, who testified that she informed Eggleston he was 6 signatures short of the required 50 to get on the ballot for a city council position. Eggleston would return to City Hall on July 23rd, minutes before the filing deadline, in hopes of getting those signatures. He submitted them and Bolzman reviewed them.
There were 3 signatures on page 8 that did not match the qualified voter file records.
She testified surveillance video was then reviewed, showing Eggleston and Lamar Sylvia outside City Hall attempting to get signatures. Lamar Sylvia could be seen writing something on a petition sheet. The video was not played in court. Bolzman testified it was her opinion that Lamar Sylvia signed the 3 names in question on Eggleston's petition. Lana Howell, an investigator with the Secretary of State's office, testified 2 of the names on the petition were relatives of Lamar Sylvia.
There were spelling errors in her daughter's name as well as her son-in-law's name.
The other signature in question was that of Heidi Wiggins, who now sits on the city council. Eggleston's attorney, Khadijah Swims, argued that there was no evidence that Eggleston forged any signatures or conspired with Lamar Sylvia to do so. Assistant Attorney General Richard Cunningham countered, saying Eggleston did sign the circulating petition.
Yet he signs it at the bottom, swearing and attesting that I have circulated this among the voters. That's where the forgery comes in.
Now, Judge Elian Fichtner bound Eggleston's case over to circuit court. I could not get a comment from Lamar Sylvia or her attorney after the hearing. Eggleston's attorney, Khadijah Swims, says her client is looking forward to proving his innocence.